Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys on my trading strategy, which I've been using, and it has been working fine for me. So let me delete all this setup. So the strategy the indicator we are going to be using is Bollinger Band. So let's just go to Bollinger Band. I've already set my own. The period will be period 20. Set the deviation to 3. Yes, deviation to 3. Okay, you're good to go. So how do we take the signal for buy and sell on this strategy? You take buy when the candlestick touch the Bollinger channel. You are going to enter buy and put your stop loss. For example, put your stop loss below like 10 pips or 20 pips below the candle. For example, like let us look this place. This is it. The prices touches the channel and it's move upward, up to this place. So you can just enter from here, from the confirmation of the second candle here, then put your stop loss below the candle. That's one example. So, and this is another example for sell. Is it? Just enter the confirmation, then put the stop loss above the candlestick. So that's that about the strategy. Thank you.